Hi everyone, merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome to Turkish Food and Travel. Today we are invited to an iftar in the Garden of Süleymaniye by an association. We are very excited with my daughter. Before we go there, we wanted to visit Gülhane Park. It's the perfect time right now for tulips, as you can see behind me. So we wanted to visit here. We thought it's gonna be less crowded because of Ramadan, but it is not. Both locals and tourists are here. About 20 degrees. The sun is setting. Beautiful scenes we have. So let's begin. At weekend, Sultanahmet seems very crowded. When I came for iftar with my friends at the beginning of Ramadan, it was less. You can watch the vlog from the links. And besides Ramadan, the best time would be early morning. Here how it was when I came last year. It's 7:30. We are in Sultanahmet. I'm very happy. It's so calm here. I really recommend when you come to Istanbul, make sure to get up early and enjoy the calmness of the city. The Gülhane Park is only one stop after Sultanahmet. You can even walk and reach in about 5-7 minutes.
Bakayım.
It is very beautiful. Everyone is trying to film, take photo, as I do. But I think we are doing it more than enough. We cannot really go deeply inside the beauty of it because of the phones and cameras. Tell me, what do you think? You know what? We don't want to leave here, but we're gonna get late for the iftar, so we have to. So don't count this as a showing the beauty of the tulips in Istanbul. Just a glimpse of it. It is what you have seen. So now let's go. Onlardan yap.
Gitmişler. Başka gene bir tane daha gördüm. Gene gitmişler. Hepsi Süleyman'a gitmiş. Ne isyan?
We have about 1 hour left for iftar. People are rushing back home, closing their shops. Mostly they are already gone from the centers. I wonder how Süleymaniye is right now.
Aynı şeyi ben de düşündüm. Ben de Onlar çok seviyor şey.
Looks like there is a picnic going on here too. The national TV, they make programs close to iftar time, all national TVs, and one of them is here.
Diyanet bu. Bu adam Diyanet'te çünkü çıkıyor.
The new painters came here to restore it, and we have now a new form of dome. We call it as Crown Gate.
In front of the tomb of Sultan Süleyman the Magnificent.
Я сейчас кроссовки вижу.
Ha burada mı yapacaktık?
So we are here. This is our place to have our iftar. Before we sit down, I wanna look around a bit more. Olduğu için.
Okay.
So you can just be on my vlog this time
Oh,
if
okay.
you want.
So I'm so happy that I met you. I'm following you from Instagram. I'm living here in Turkey. I'm from Egypt, and I'm following your recipes. It's very inspiring, and you are like adding spirit in the food. So happy that I saw you today.
I'm happy to see too.
Me
Thank you
too.
so
Memnun
much.
oldum.
Where do you live here?
I'm living in Büyükçekmece. Very
okay.
far away from here, but
Me
I
too,
can...
I'm in Bahçeşehir.
Bahçeşehir yakın yani.
Yes.
I'm so happy to see you.
Yeah, okay.
See you soon. Assalamu.
It's beautiful.
Allah is going to test how much patience you have with this brotherhood of Islam.
Assalamu alaikum.
Aleykümselam.
How are you? Welcome to our second annual Iftar this Ramadan. Welcome to the Center for Cross-Cultural Communication. We are very, very happy and proud to have you all with us here today. Today, we have friends, we have families, we have relatives, but also we have different people coming from different parts of the world to come here and join this very special event with all of us. So first of all, I would like to welcome you all. Today is already a very special day. First, because we are already in the month of Ramadan, the 9th month of the Islamic lunar calendar. Now all of you guys know that the main thing that we do here today in Ramadan is fasting. So all the people that are sitting around you, they did not eat anything. Important things that you guys will be seeing here today with all the people around you is the concept of sharing. Sharing food, sharing smiles, sharing happiness, and sharing this very nice, friendly family environment.
Koyayım mı? Yok. Hazır.
Acaba bunun tadı nasıl? Hırslı bir çocuk ya. O kadar da şey değil.
Oh Allah, please allow us to do goodness in this life. Oh Allah, please. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Elhamdülillahi Rabbil alemin.
Bak burada da bebek. Korktu, dur.
Ay nasıl bakıyor?
Annen nerede benim? It's about 10:30. We are leaving Süleymaniye Mosque after the Teravih prayer. It was a lovely evening, iftar. I met a lot of people, including a couple of my followers. It was a happy moment for me again. One of them was from Mexico, one of them from Egypt and United States. Nice young couple. So it made me really feel blessed. I really felt happy. Now we are going back. I hope you enjoyed the second day I shared with you during Ramadan and iftar outside in Istanbul. This time from Süleymaniye after Hagia Sophia Mosque, Hagia Sophia Mosque. It was a different one here. Thanks for being with me. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye. There is a line for the iftar they give, the Turkish Kızılay. Afiyet olsun. Afiyet olsun. I just met with Nuning and Nigar and we're gonna have iftar together. The pot?
Yeah, the pot.
It's not ending. We're gonna inshallah Monday. Okay. And we are out from the schedule actually. Hopefully we can finish it with Nuni. Tried karnıyarık.
Yes, I tried caviar and most of my friends love it.
You can shape these, finish it, okay?